This video is an overview of how to save things within IRSA tools. To first order, wherever you see a diskette, you can save the thing in the corresponding window pane. So for example, this plot you can save with that diskette. This table you can save with that diskette. For the images, it's a little bit more buried. You have to go here to find the diskette. You can save this as a FITS image, a PNG file, which is with the stretch and the colors and the overlays as you see them, or you can save the overlays as a region file. But note that this is not the complete version of the catalog. To save a complete version of the catalog, you have to use the diskette from the catalog. You can save it as an IPAC table file, comma-separated values, tab-separated values, a variety of VO table formats, Parquet files, or a region file. That's how you should save the catalog to make sure that you get all of the sources. Some of the archive-specific tools have a Prepare Download button. In those cases, you can select all of the rows or just some of the rows and then click Prepare Download. Sometimes they give you specific choices about what exactly you want to download or how you want it structured. Then you can click on Prepare Download. Some of the archives have very complicated choices, and the choices may change depending on where you are. When you initiate the download, you may have different choices. Finder Chart is yet another one of these tools, and you have, again, different choices for the download. Data Collection Explorer gives you access to a wide variety of delivered data products. Here, too, you can select all the rows or just some of the rows, and then Prepare Download. Hopefully that's enough to get you going on how to save data in IRSA tools.